Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to get Wix website HTML code. So for you to be able to get that, there are actually a few different ways that you can get the HTML code from Wix. So one way for this one is going through the developer tools. So just simply click onto the three dots onto the upper part of your browser, click onto more tools, and then click onto developer tools. Now right after, here onto the developer tools, you should be able to see in here, or you could inspect and get the HTML code of your Wix website editor. So you should be able to see that one in here, the HTML. And then another way to get the HTML code from Wix is to use the Wix code editor. To do this, simply click on the Add Plus button in the upper left hand corner of the Wix code editor and then select HTML from the drop down menu. But first, make sure that you enable the developer mode by clicking the checkbox, just like this one. So you'll just have to do this, enable this, and then once you have added the HTML code to your Wix site, you can style it using this tags in here and simply select the text you want to style and then click on the style button in the upper left hand corner of the Wix editor. From there, you can select which tag you want to use. And that's just basically it onto how to get Wix website HTML code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.